Look at how gross that is. These things are disgusting. This unit was definitely not taken care of properly, and debris in your unit like this, if you're running these, any Dehu for that matter, really should be cleaned. So I have some coil cleaner with me. I have an aluminum wire brush, a nylon wire brush that we're gonna use to basically scrub down the coils and get them clean.
So when you're cleaning these machines, it's really important to make sure that you use something thin for... Oh, yeah. Oh, no, this is nasty.
Look at that. Oh.
Imagine being a customer and this getting put into your home. You would not want that. Just think about it. They put this machine before I bought it. Just think about it. This machine before I bought it was literally in a customer's home. No bueno. Oh, gosh. Oof, yikes.
Oh, look at that gunk. This is why it's super important that you keep your equipment clean when you're bringing it to customers' homes. I don't know what is in this stuff, but one thing I do know is I don't want to find out.